seasoned with ginger, chili peppers, and spices. The dish is often served as a snack or side dish and is a favorite of locals and visitors alike. Suya is a spicy grilled meat dish that is popular throughout West Africa. The meat, usually beef, is marinated in a spicy peanut sauce before being grilled over an open flame. Suya is often served with a side of onions, tomatoes, and a spicy pepper sauce. Finally, there are many delicious desserts in Ghanaian cuisine, such as chin chin, a sweet fried dough snack, and plantain cake, a moist cake made from mashed plantains, sugar, and spices. Overall, Ghanaian cuisine is a rich and diverse culinary tradition that is definitely worth exploring. From starchy staples like fufu and banku to flavorful dishes like jollof rice and suya, there is something for everyone in Ghanaian cuisine. Sure, I'd be happy to share more about Ghanaian cuisine. Ghanaian cuisine is known for its use of bold flavors and spices, particularly in its stews and soups. One popular stew is groundnut soup, which is made with peanut butter, tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices. The soup is typically served with fufu or banku and is a hearty and filling meal. Another popular soup is light soup, which is made with a variety of meats or fish, tomatoes, onions, and spices. The soup gets its name from its light and brothy consistency and is often served with fufu or rice. Ghanaian cuisine also features a variety of seafood dishes, particularly along the coastal regions of the country. One popular seafood dish is grilled tilapia, which is marinated in a spicy pepper sauce before being grilled and served with a side of fried yams or plantains. In addition to its savory dishes, Ghanaian cuisine also boasts a variety of refreshing beverages. One popular drink is sobolo, a hibiscus tea that is sweetened with sugar and flavored with ginger and pineapple. Another popular drink is palm wine, a fermented drink made from the sap of palm trees. Palm wine has a sweet and slightly sour flavor and is often sold by street vendors in traditional calabash gourds. Overall, Ghanaian cuisine is a rich and diverse culinary tradition that is influenced by its history, geography, and cultural traditions. Whether you're a fan of bold flavors and spices or prefer something a bit more mild, there is something for everyone in Ghanaian cuisine. Certainly, there's still more to learn about Ghanaian cuisine. One important aspect of Ghanaian cuisine is its use of traditional cooking methods and utensils. For example, the wooden mortar and pestle used to pound fufu is an essential tool in many Ghanaian kitchens. The wooden utensils are believed to add a unique flavor to the dish and are also considered to be more hygienic than metal utensils. Another traditional cooking method is smoking, which is often used to preserve and flavor meats and fish. Smoked fish, for example, is a popular ingredient in many Ghanaian soups and stews. Ghanaian cuisine is also notable for its use of indigenous ingredients, such as plantains, cassava, and yams.